Well, the winds have been pretty frightful if you're driving in it, especially. Let's check it back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr. Robert, a nice dry weekend, but certainly windy, and now you're talking a possibility of some rain here.
Oh, I'd say it's much better than a possibility. It's a likelihood now.
It's a likelihood. Good.
Tomorrow is going to be wet, so bring your poncho tomorrow, Paul. You're going to need it because we do got rain on the way. That's why you see here Impact Day behind me and on your screen right now. For all that rain, Monday and Tuesday, both impact days, we're watching some, early morning showers that will grow and become steadier and heavier and much more numerous, especially after the lunch hour. We could see widespread moderate to heavy rain at times. Also, the very outside chance for a couple of thunderstorms, maybe one of those in the most isolated of instances becomes severe. And it will also still be breezy and windy at times, especially as that front crosses tomorrow evening. Right now, some of that rain starting to develop way out north central Oklahoma. You got to get on the other side of Enid there along Highway 412 before you start to run in some rainfall. Things are nice and quiet for us, but that will be changing. Still windy. There's the American flag atop the Bass Pro Shops. Hey, there's the station right there in Rogers. It's windy, and it's windy in Fort Smith as well. We've got both American flags that are blowing in the breezes today in Fort Smith. Not nearly as strong in the River Valley, but those winds still are out there. Upper 70s to around 80 right now in northwest Arkansas, mid 80s for the River Valley. Look at Pensacola and Hackett, Spiro up to 85. Probably the warmest day for a while today. Things will be changing. Here's what's left of Hurricane Rosalind, now a tropical storm, winds down to 45 miles an hour, just inundating central Mexico with lots of rainfall and flooding. Still moving towards southwest Texas, and the moisture associated with Rosalind will get picked up by this cold front that'll bring us all that rain. Now tonight and early tomorrow morning, we should be on the quiet side, but notice by around sunrise we start to see some of that scattered shower activity, and that will grow more numerous as we get into late morning and especially into the afternoon hours. And right as the front is crossing the area, that is the best chance. Right along the front, I think, if we're going to see a thunderstorm or a strong to severe thunderstorm, that's when it's going to happen. I think the best chances will be the further south that you get, but can't rule it out across as far north as the Missouri-Arkansas border. Once the front crosses, then it just shuts off the severe potential. It's basically a steady to moderate to heavy rain event. Monday night, we could get a break Monday night into Tuesday for a while before the upper level support of the system swings by, triggering more shower chances. So a dreary couple of days on tap. 2 to perhaps 3 or more inches could fall. There's that sweet spot, Washington, Madison, and the northern sections right now of Washington, of Crawford, Franklin, and Johnson counties. We're also watching for excessive rainfall. This is rainfall that exceeds flash flood guidance over a certain period of time, and no one is immune from this. Slight risk for that excessive rainfall Monday through Tuesday morning. Lows tonight, pretty much parked in the 60s. We will go almost nowhere tomorrow temperature-wise. In fact, far northwest Arkansas into northeast Oklahoma, temperatures could be dropping, especially once you get late morning into early afternoon. Depends on the speed of that front. As I said, impact days Monday and Tuesday. Then the sun returns Wednesday and Thursday before another weak system rolls in here, most likely to our south, but enough to throw clouds our way for northwest Arkansas by Friday. Better chance for a shower Friday will be in the River Valley, especially south of I-40. But notice our temperatures there really flat over the upcoming week. But you'll definitely need your umbrella coming up tomorrow and Tuesday. Stay with us. Meredith is here. She's got everything that you need to know in the sports world after the break.